Hi guys, so I have made it to Berlin, hell yeah, and I am just about to go and check into my hotel, so I thought I would show you around. Let's go.
Travel with LisaMH, pack my bags, come explore with me. From historic halls to quiet streets, every place has stories to me. Cemeteries, landmarks, memories, old stone paths and mysteries. I follow, wonder wherever I am. Curiosity is my compass.
And it is the Titanic Comfort in Mitte, Berlin. So let's go and get checked in and go and check the room out, shall we? Very shiny. Oh, that's pretty cool. They do have a restaurant in here. You can get breakfast if you want it. I think it's €17.50 for breakfast, and there's the reception there. So here it is, guys. I'm in the room. Mirrors, hello, everywhere. Wow. So first impressions is small, but it is just for me. I am by myself, so it is absolutely fine. So as you walk into the door, you've got some closet space just around here. So you have some hangers there that you can, any hanging things, little shelf up there, my stuff's already in it, which is pretty cool. There's no door. And then this side is this is the bathroom door. And this is the bathroom, which is perfectly adequate for one person. To be honest, there is mirrors everywhere. Shower, it all looks clean enough. Okay, hair and body wash, some towels, plenty of towels for me. Oh, what's this here? Hand wash, hairdryer supplied, awesome. And then we have a little shelf there that looks like a complimentary bottle of water. Nice. Little TV, not that I'm going to need a TV. I don't know what that is. There you go, they are lights. On there. Plenty of lighting. I've just found the light switch, turned them all on. Oh, it's like heating control there. The name of the hotel. There's a spot here to hang your jackets or coats. Another mirror. Hello. A shelf there, which is pretty cool. Bed looks comfortable enough. Looks like there's a mini fridge and a safe. Obligatory phone, and also there's two sockets there. One just down there by the bin. That's all I'm gonna need. What's the view like? Yeah, it's okay, I guess. Nothing spectacular. It'll do me. So all in all, not a bad little room for me, just for 3 nights. Just mirrors absolutely everywhere. But yeah, that is it, guys. There's a little bit of storage space anyway. That's the room. So for those of you who end up staying at the Titanic Comfort Mitte, so where the TV tower is, that's the centre. You head towards that, you're close to Alexanderplatz, and then over yonder is where all the museums and everything that's good. And I'm now heading back to the hotel, so you will get an idea of the walk, if you like. It's not far, 15 minutes maybe, depending how fast you walk, but it's not a bad walk. So we are heading back to the hotel right now. Watch out for cycles. Just by that building there, if you was to carry on to walk up a little way, about 2 or 3 minutes, you'll come to an amazing sandwich shop. Reasonably priced, beautiful, absolutely beautiful sandwiches there, and pastries and tea and coffee and anything you could want really. I only discovered that place today. I wished I had discovered it before, because I would have gone there a couple more times, but it is what it is. Pigeon. And here is a museum of paper. Haven't been in there, but I definitely will next time. And there up on the left is the hotel. And then if you walk past the hotel to the end of this road, do a left, there's a Premier Inn up there. Opposite that Premier Inn is Bellissimo, a nice Italian restaurant. Again, I didn't think the prices were that bad. It's pretty good. So there you go. Not far to walk to the centre, in all honesty. And here is the hotel.